Imagine you're standing on a beach, looking out at the endless ocean. The waves come and go, sometimes gentle, sometimes fierce, but each one pulling a bit of the shore back with it before leaving the sand wet and glistening. Trading and investing are a lot like understanding these waves and the ocean itself. As we dive into this topic, picture yourself as a sailor on this vast sea of financial opportunities, learning to navigate both the waves of trading and the deeper currents of investing. Let's begin with a question. Have you ever felt the rush of winning a game, then the immediate fear of losing the next one? That emotional roller coaster is something many traders experience, often on a daily basis. Trading, like surfing, happens on the surface. It's fast-paced, exhilarating, and sometimes risky. You try to ride the wave perfectly, time your jumps, and maybe even perform a few tricks. But if you wipe out, you need to be ready to get back on the board quickly and confidently. Trading is about the short term, buying and selling stocks, currencies, or commodities with the goal of making a quick profit. Think of it like an intense sprint. Your senses are heightened, decisions made in seconds, and the rewards or losses are felt almost immediately. But remember, just like in a sprint, the bursts of energy can be exhausting. It's an adrenaline-fueled environment where fear and greed are your constant companions. These emotions can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that one might regret. So it's crucial to remain calm and have a well-thought-out plan before you dive into the action. On the other hand, investing is like setting sail on a long voyage. Here, the pace slows down. You're not looking at the waves, but at the horizon, plotting a course that, while perhaps less thrilling in the short term, promises a more stable and rewarding destination. Investing is about the long haul, slowly and steadily growing your wealth over years, even decades. It's buying shares in a company because you believe in its value and growth potential over time. This is more of a marathon than a sprint, requiring patience, resilience, and trust in your chosen path. Imagine planting a tree. You don't check it every day expecting a giant oak to sprout overnight. It takes time. Investing is similar. You're nurturing your financial seeds, understanding that they need time to mature and weather the seasons. Here's where the magic of compounding comes in. Your investments can grow exponentially as even small increments add up over time. This is the power of consistency and long-term thinking. Both trading and investing come with their own sets of risks and rewards, and choosing between them or deciding to balance both depends largely on your personal goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment. If you're someone who gets a thrill from the chase, from the constant engagement of buying low and selling high within short time frames, trading might be your calling. But if you prefer a steadier, long-term accrual of wealth, perhaps investing aligns more closely with your financial philosophy. Let's talk about fear and greed, those two powerful emotions that drive so much of our financial behavior. In trading, greed can make you hold on to a stock for too long, hoping for more profit even when logic says you've hit a peak. Fear, on the other hand, can make you sell too quickly, cutting your losses when maybe patience would have seen a reversal. These emotions are potent because money is deeply tied to our sense of security and self-worth. Recognizing and managing these feelings is vital, whether you're a trader or an investor. Now, you might be wondering how one can possibly master these emotions. It starts with self-awareness and a clear understanding of your financial goals. Ask yourself, do you want quick gains with higher risks, or are you more comfortable watching your money grow steadily over time? Perhaps a mix of both suits you, the thrill of trading with the stability of long-term investments. Setting clear rules for yourself and sticking to them can help mitigate the impact of these emotions. Just like a seasoned sailor keeps a steady hand on the tiller, maintaining a balanced, clear-headed approach is crucial in navigating financial waters. Finally, let's reflect on the idea that whether you're trading or investing, what you're really doing is building a relationship with money. Like any relationship, it requires understanding, respect, and a touch of humility. Money is a tool, a means to an end, not the end itself. Whether you're in it for the ride or the journey, remember you're shaping your financial future, and that's an endeavor worth taking seriously. Embrace the journey, whether you're riding the waves or charting a course across the ocean. Because in the end, it's not just about the destination, but also about the wisdom and resilience you gain along the way. And remember, the calm seas never made a skilled sailor. Happy travels on your financial voyage.